Alright guys, I'm gonna show you a product I got sent to me. It's called the Oclip Pro S, and it's by Olight. And I'm a fan of Olight. I actually have a couple of their tactical lights for my pew-pews. And so they sent me this. This is more like a work-oriented light, and we're gonna open it up and see what it's all about. Super, super small. Comes with a charging cable and a pretty thick user manual. Since I'm getting old, I've got to have some glasses here. So yeah, USB-C charging cable, and here is the light. Very nice looking little light here. So it does have a clip, so you can clip it to yourself or to other things. So you kind of have a hands-free deal. So you can like clip it to your shirt, so you can see your way without having to hold it. So let's see if this thing will power up. I have not had it on yet. Okay, there it's on. So it has a couple different power settings. If you hold it, my goodness, that's bright. So at first it started out really dim and I was like, oh my word. Now that sucker is blinding bright. So it has different levels of light. So if you just quick tap it, it goes on and off. And if you have it on and you hold it for a second or two, it goes to the next level and then back down. So whatever level you have it set on, that's what it comes back to. So if you have it set on the high level, you just push the button and it goes right back to it. It has a selector switch here, and so this is for the UV light. So if like you're doing some AC work and you need to see if your AC dye is leaking out, you can use this one. And it also has two different levels of brightness. And then the third selection here is RGB. And so this can make different colors of light and obviously different brightnesses. So there you have red. If you double tap it, it goes to green. If you double tap it again, it goes to blue, and then back to red. Ooh, and different settings on that as well. Holy cow, that's a bright red light. Another feature this has is if you push it 3 times real fast, it goes to strobing through all your different colors. And once again, it's the same thing. You hit it once and it stops. Hit it once again and it goes through all your colors again. There's another selection. It goes through those colors like that. So lots of different options with the triple press of the switch here. So if you go back to white and you just want a strobe, you would do the same thing. This will go up to 600 lumens, by the way. It's a slower strobe. It's like a beacon. So it lasts a long, long time. Very bright. And then if you want a quick strobe, that's a quicker strobe there. So this little light has lots of options. One thing I didn't show you was this thing also is magnetic. So it sticks to things. So if you're underneath a car or something and you want to look at something, you can just stick it to a piece of metal and go to work. So pretty nifty little gadget, has lots of utility. I'll be putting this to use a lot, working on vehicles and working in places where can't see as well. So a couple other facts that might be interesting to you. You can drop it from 1.5 meters and it will not break. It has an IPX6 waterproof rating, and apparently the light will reach up to 80 meters. Rechargeable USB-C here on the side. This thing apparently will last up to 27 hours on the low light setting. Another feature this has is on the side of this, right where the on button is, where you control the on and off, is it has a little light right in the middle. And green means it's fully charged, and then it turns to orange when it's getting lower, and then to red when it needs recharge. So that's really handy to kind of see where you're at, if you need to get it on the charger or not. And I think we're on orange right now. I haven't charged this since I got it. Pretty useful little thing. Definitely something that would be nice to have like in your backpack if you're hiking or camping. I'm gonna keep it with all my tools because that's what I do the most of. So there'll be a link in the description below the video if you're interested in this, and we'll see you in the next one.